TechnoGIMP, Module 16. Thanks to you. Overview. Situation. You haven't seen your cousins who are living abroad for a while now. You miss them so much, so you thought of sending them a postcard created using XGimp. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create a postcard. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. Postcard. A piece of thin card, often with a picture on one side, which you can write on and send to people without using an envelope. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then tap the menu button. Number 2. Locate and select the image you want to use. Number 3. The image should then appear on the canvas. Number 4. To create a rectangle, go to the Tools menu and select Square Rectangle. To change its color, tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your shape and adjust the alpha value to change its opacity. Then tap Done. In this example, the color white was used. Tap the shape when done. Number 5. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Type the text that you want to add. Change its font family, font size, and font style under Format options. Then tap Done. Number 6. To change its color, tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text. Then tap Done. Tap the text when done. Number 7. Repeat the steps to add more text. Number 8. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save.